At Journey Golf Carts, we differentiate ourselves in three main ways. First, we create a zero-pressure sales environment. We'll never pressure you into buying a cart. Our goal is to provide you with all the information so you can make the best decision possible. Second, we don't play any pricing games. The price you see is the price you get. There will never be any car dealership games played where we try to sneak extra fees in at the last minute. And lastly, we care about our customers, not only before they buy a cart, but after as well. Here at Journey, we offer pickup and delivery, and have a full service center to repair any make or model golf cart. We can also customize any old golf cart and make it look brand new again. Each and every cart we sell comes with a warranty, and we carry only well-established, tried and tested golf cart manufacturers. We will always pick up the phone, and we'll do everything in our power to answer any question or fix any issues you have as fast as possible. Journey Golf Carts is your one-stop shop for all things golf carts in Wilmington.